Hello and welcome to Insider Week. In this video, we are going to discuss the weekly trading results from our commodity and futures trading according to COT data. Last week, in the first strategy, the COT strategy, we realized a gain of $117, and in our champion strategy, we realized a gain of $1,500. Let's have a look at the results in detail. First of all, our COT strategy. At the beginning of the week, we started our portfolio with a short contract in gold. In each account, the large and the small account, we had one contract. Then furthermore, we had one contract long in gasoline. And at the end of the week, we were left with one position, which was 10 short contracts in cocoa. Let's start with gasoline. On the weekly chart, you can see that we received a buy signal. On the weekly chart, we are basically analyzing COT data, net positions, COT index, open interest, and trends to derive our buy or sell signal. We're using the daily chart to do our timing. Here we can see that we had a correction for a couple of days. We used that to get long in the market. Regarding the target price, we wanted to stay in the market just for approximately 2 days. We've stuck to our plan. We exited the trade on Monday and realized a gain of $3,397. The next market is gold. Here we received a buy signal, but we were positioned short prior to that. We made a short trade in the weekly trend direction because, as you can see, the weekly trend reversed from increasing to decreasing. Thus, we looked for a short entry. We can see that in the past, corrections were sold off very well. That's why we've waited for a correction to take our short position. And unfortunately, we were stopped out 2 days later and had a loss of minus $3,280. We've conducted the same trade on our small account with a micro contract, and micro gold contracts are liquid enough for us and thus very well tradable, thus well suited for small accounts. Next market, cocoa. As explained in last week's video, we are observing a resistance level here. And in harmony with the seasonal trend, we found the possibility for a short position. We used that possibility and our entry pattern was available. We went short 10 contracts in this market. And how exactly we are now managing this position, that is something that we are discussing in our regular trading plans. Now, let's have a look at our champion strategy. We started the week with 2 positions, 4 contracts long in sugar, 1 contract short in soybeans, and during the week we closed both positions and took 3 short contracts in cocoa. Let's have a look at our profit and loss table that you can see here. In sugar, we had some loss. In coffee, we also had some loss. However, the trade in the 30-year T-bond was large enough not only to balance out our losses, but beyond of that, to give us a total surplus this week. As a result, we made an all-time high in our champion strategy. We are pleased to see a total net profit of $53,025. As always, let's have a look at the commodity index in the end. We can see that price struggles to cross this resistance here. Thus, there could be a correction. We are, however, well prepared. On the short side, we have setups. And if a trend reversal appears, we are ready to go on with our short trades. That's it from our side this week. Thank you all for your attention and see you again for our regular trading results video on next Sunday.